Hey guys, welcome back to No Recipe Required. I'm going to do another meal review for you. This time we're working on Freshly. Now Freshly, unlike some of the other meal kit services, they don't send the ingredients, they send the finished package. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is a steak peppercorn today. Freshly's, again, claim to fame, they're sending off full meals. So really, this is going to be a short video, no cooking, it's really just heating up. This one is a steak peppercorn. It's got steak and mashed potatoes over on this side. I'm not sure what kind of steak, maybe we'll read it in here. Looks like some green beans and some carrots over on this side. Heating instructions on the back. Basically it's going to take about 3 minutes or so. You can do it on a plate, you can do it in the package itself, per the directions. I suspect the plate is actually a little better, but I'm going to do it this way because I suspect also this is how most people are going to do it. So it says poke holes in the four corners. That's going to release the steam, and then pop it into a microwave for it says 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're going to come back and plate it up. So while our steak peppercorn is off in the microwave, I thought I'd just give you a quick tour of this the package here. It's got some additional instructions inside, some about a little twist or finish to the dish. For the steak peppercorn, it's add maybe a little bit of red pepper flakes if you want some heat, add a sprig of parsley if you want a little freshness. That's just going to kind of look nice. It's got a little bit about Freshly's philosophy, protein. They are a low or a no carbohydrates company. It's all like gluten free, and we'll give it a try. We'll see how it tastes. If it's good, I'll give it my thumbs up. Freshly did give me a coupon code. I'll throw it into the description on the YouTube video. I think 30% off your first couple orders. If you want to go ahead and give it a try and let me know how it goes. Most importantly, how's it going to taste? Let's go check it out. All right, so we just got our steak out of the microwave. The instructions were to microwave for 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and then the instruction says don't peel the plastic off. Now I know why. It actually says don't peel the plastic off because I'm sure you're going to get a lot of steam coming out of here, but it's also hard to do. So we're just going to use a knife to come off. So after you microwave for 3 minutes 30 seconds, it asks to let it stand for 2 minutes, which I've done. And now we'll just take the plastic off without trying to spill the entire thing. There we go. I'm just going to grab a little spoon. I'll give it a little bit of taste here. That's nice. Everything seems to be warm. What I'm going to do, I'm going to plate it up. I've got my plate here. I've got some utensils to get the mash out, cauliflower mash, the steak, the vegetables. I'm going to go ahead and plate it up, then we're going to come back and give it a taste. So we've plated up now our steak, our cauliflower mash, and our veggies. And actually, the plate looks pretty good. Unsurprisingly, the steak and the mashed cauliflower are mixed together a little bit, so you're not getting a super clean presentation. But as I look at the steak, I see very clear grill marks on here. Nice char, which which makes me optimistic for what is ultimately a microwave steak. I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. Now for me, that is it's a well done steak, so I think it's going to be a little bit on the well done side for me. In terms of flavor, it's definitely tender. Again, a little bit dry because I think it's a little overcooked. The cauliflower, mashed potatoes. I keep saying mashed potatoes. I don't even know. I think there are potatoes in there. Cauliflower mash. It's got bacon chunks in there. Again, tastes good. Plenty of salt, plenty of seasoning in there. Real test for me on freshness is going to be these vegetables. I got some they call them French cut carrots, beans, and some carrots in there. I'm going to give them a try. Little bit of tough, but again, good flavor. Good seasoning on there. Let me try and get a couple more carrots in there. Again, carrots are everything. The beans and the carrots are a little more cooked than than I prefer. I probably, if I did this again, would do as actually the plate suggested. Take out the individual components and heat them a little bit separately. But that's going to take a little bit more time. You honestly can't beat 3 minutes to a meal or 3.5 minutes to a meal. So all in all, I think it's great. If you're looking for time and convenience, this definitely hits the mark. It is by far not as good as a home cooked fresh steak cooked to your doneness, the way you like it, but certainly better than something that comes out of the freezer section of the grocery store. Clean, good flavors. Go ahead, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Alright, so that was Freshly's peppercorn steak recipe. I cooked it up. Look, if you're a foodie, it's probably not for you. It is, obviously. It's cooked food shipped to you. You can probably do better if you're going to be involved, if you want to really get in the kitchen and do it yourself. However, for a delivered meal that takes you 3 minutes to cook up, I think it's a winner. I think most people are going to enjoy it. And it's certainly better than most of the stuff I get at the frozen aisle, the grocery store. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes. I'll see you next time on No Recipe Required.